everyone, welcome to the Glojo channel. Today I'm going to be talking on how to make homemade hand sanitizer. In case you run out of the one you have, you don't need to run to the shop anymore. You can actually do something at home. So don't go anywhere, stay glued. I'll be taking you step by step on how to make homemade hand sanitizer. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe please. Welcome back. Let's get started. First of all, you need an empty container. This is an empty container. First, then this is our spirits. Must have alcohol. You can see that alcohol content in it. Then we have a hydrogen. Then we have our olive oil. This is Goya olive oil. Then I have a fragrance here, sold by my sister, Crescents, and it's Elizabeth Eden Red Road. So you pour your contents into the empty container. Then you take your hydrogen, and you take 2 cups full. You pour it into the spirit. Then you take your olive oil. When we are using olive oil, is sometimes people complain when you use it, your hand gets dry. So you put some olive oil so that at least there will be oil to make your hand greasy. So a cup. Pour it in. Then I'm going to take my fragrance. So when I'm using it, smell nice. A drop. Oh my God. So you have to shake it very well. Shake it very well. They can mix together. Yeah, that looks nice. So let's shake it again. Our hand sanitizer is ready. And just take a little and rub it all over your hand. Thank you for watching. This is our homemade hand sanitizer, and yeah, so our homemade hand sanitizer. So it's very simple to make, and it's very, very effective. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you. See you again in my next video. Bye.